Satnam, welcome to join me for Kundalini Yoga meditation. This is Charampal Singh, Kundalini Yoga teacher and teacher trainer from Finland. I'm going to do in this video 11 minutes meditation called Mahagyan Agni Pranayam. If you're on a level 2 authentic relationships Kundalini Yoga teacher training, you will find this meditation on the page 41. Let's tune in first, rub your palms together, come to sit in an easy pose, straighten your spine. Stop the movement, place the thumbs against your sternum, relax the shoulders, focus on the brow point and relax the face. Chanting, tuning in with 3 Om Namo, Gurudev Namo and 3 times Ad Gure Name. Inhale deep. Exhale completely. And inhale to chant. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adgrenmip, Jugadgrenmip, Satgrenmip, Srigurudevenmip, Adgrenmip, Jugadgrenmip, Satgrenmip, Srigurudevenmip, Adgrenmip, Jugadgrenmip, Satgrenmip, Srigurudevenmip. Inhale, hold, and exhale and relax. So 11 minutes for Mahagyan Agni Pranayam. Maha means great, Gyan means knowledge, expansion also. Agni, the purity of fire. So this is a very powerful Kriya. And we're going to use a mantra. It's called Siri Mantra, Ik Onkar Sat Gur Prasad, Sat Gur Prasad, Ik Onkar. And we're going to chant this mantra for 8 times on one breath and a monotone. We're going to have a mudra, which is like a boat. You place the hands, the sides of the hands and the mercury fingers all together, and you form like a boat with your hands. The thumbs come inside of this boat, and the thumbs also turn 90 degrees down inside from the joint. And this mudra comes in front of your chest, in front of your heart center. Straighten the spine, relax the shoulders, open the chest, tuck the chin in, and close the eyes. And 11 minutes. Ik Onkar Sat Gur Prasad, Sat Gur Prasad, Ik Onkar 8 times in a row in one breath. Inhale deep. Exhale completely. And inhale to chant. Ik Onkar Satgur Prasad, Satgur Prasad, Ik Onkar, Ik Onkar, 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 Satgur Prasad, Satgur Prasad, Ik Onkar. Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद 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 एक ओंकार Ek Onkar Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar. Last time. Ek Onkar Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad, 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 Ek Onkar. Inhale deep. Hold, straighten the back. Open the chest, keep the mudra, relax the shoulders, relax the face, hold. Keep the posture, exhale. Inhale deep. Hold, keep, listen, feel, sense. Keep the posture, exhale. Last time, inhale, hold, perfect the posture. And exhale and relax the hands and the knees. Keep the eyes closed. Sense, feel, and listen. Well done, inhale and exhale. Bring the palms together, rub them. Stop the movement, place the thumbs against your sternum. Relax the shoulders, straighten the spine, focus on the brow point. And let's tune out with 3 long satanams. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale to chant. Nam. 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 Bring your forehead to the ground. Let your heart lead and mind follow. And come up. Well done. Thank you very much. Bless you. See you next time. Satnam.